Hey guys, what is up? Lefty back here again, and thanks for checking out the video. So today, got a quick little tip trick video, I suppose, for people that are left-handed and have the M&P 2.0. Here's a little thing I want everybody to try out. So this is completely reversible too. So if you for whatever reason don't like it or whatever, but this is a way to delete this little detent that used to be over here that keeps the slide from going out of forward when you smack the bottom of the gun. So now, with that removed, this gun can now auto forward, which was a big kind of bonus that some people liked about the M&P 1.0. So, as you can see, just gonna smack the bottom and it goes right forward. So that's a pretty nice thing. But also, one nice thing about this is that if you are left-handed, for everybody knows that is left-handed like myself, if you do have an M&P 2.0, the slide release on the right side of the weapon is kind of a pain in the fucking ass. But now if I just kind of slowly touch it, put a little bit of pressure, it goes home. So it's kind of a nice little mod, I guess. It's not really much of a mod, but in any case, because YouTube is stupid, I can't really show you how to do it, but it's very, very easy to do. Basically, all you're going to do is take your slide up port, have the frame just by itself. You're going to push the slide lever lock up out of the way. It's going to click because you need to bypass this little channel here for this to slide out. When you look at this little design right here, you might think, oh, I can just kind of pull it out or something like that, but it's actually kind of slid in this way on a detent. You just have to kind of pop it back and then pull it straight out like that. So it's a pretty easy mod, I suppose, and it's easily fixed. So let's say you take it out, you don't like the way this looks. You can pop it back in, or you don't like the way the gun operates now because you're not a big fan of the auto forward or whatever. You can just easily pop this bitch back in and it'll work 100%, just like normal. Or what you can do as well, because this piece that sits here is kind of a hollowed out piece of metal. Basically, if I were to pop it out, flip it over, it's got a little hollow piece where a little spring sits in here and also a little metal spring detent. That little detent is the thing that push pressure on the slide lock lever up here underneath the actual button switch lever. So if you wanted to, you could actually take that little detent out, take the spring out, and actually slide the metal piece back into here if you don't like the way this looks. But otherwise, that's a quick little mod video. I'm going to see how this works. Like I said, I'm left-handed, and I cannot stress enough how much easier it is to actually have, just kind of there and then just tap it forward. It's fantastic. This makes the gun, go up a solid point on like a 10-point scale in my opinion. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Quick little video, and yeah, be good.